Good morning, dear students. Welcome you back to English language class. Today we will discuss the test paper 14. Okay, test paper 14. So let's discuss question number 5, which is based on grammar. So first of all, 5A, which is passage completion. And you are being tested on tense, that you know very well. So first of all, you are going through from beginning to end, and when come back to the passage again and start second reading. And during while you are doing the second reading, you are deciding the tense and then the correct form of the word given in brackets. This is a procedure. You must follow the procedures what you have been told. Then only you will score the best marks. Then only score the maximum marks. Now, you know, 0 number is given as an example. A seeker in search of a master who would lead him to the path of holiness came to an ashram. 0 number is given, presided over by a guru who in addition dash in bracket had. So who in addition to having. So who in addition to having should be used here. A great reputation for holiness was also a fraud, but the seeker did not know this. Before I accept you as my disciple, said the Guru, I must test your obedience. There is a river dash in bracket flow by the ashram. So there is a river flowing by the ashram. Flowing by the ashram. That dash in bracket infest with crocodiles. So that is infested with, means that is full of. Okay? Infested with crocodiles. I want you to dash in bracket wade across the river. So I want you to wade across the river. Now, so great was the faith of young disciple that he just did that. He walked across the river, dash in bracket crying. So crying. He walked across the river crying. Okay? All praise to the power of my Guru. To the Guru's astonishment, the man walked to the other bank and back unharmed. This convinced the Guru that he was more of a saint than he himself dash. In bracket imagine, himself had imagined. Okay? Had imagined. So he decided to give all his disciples a demonstration of his power and thereby dash in bracket enhance. Thereby enhance. Because here is decide to give, no? So here enhance. After to V1 you know very well. Enhance. His reputation for holiness. He stepped into the river crying, all praise to me, all praise to me. The crocodiles promptly, means quickly, dashed him, bracket seized, so seized him. Okay? And devoured him. What is the meaning of devoured? Ate up very fast. Okay? Now let's come to question number 5B. That is a completion of sentences with the help of either preposition or adverb. Okay? But it may, generally these are either preposition or adverb, but sometimes we have some other word as well. So don't run dash your rivals. So don't run down your rivals. Means don't treat lower. This is the meaning. So run down. Don't consider lower. Now, number 2, she takes dash her mother in many ways. Okay. So have similar appearance. So she, what is the phrasal verb for similar? Have similar appearance. Take after. So she takes after. Number third, the two families are living dash the same roof. So living under, this is simple preposition. So living under the same roof. Number 4, there was a dispute dash the father and the son. Again, this is simple preposition. There was a dispute between the father and the son. Number 5, Ajay bore dash the prize, first prize in the competition. So Ajay won the first prize in the competition. What is the phrasal verb for won? Beginning with bear, bear away. So away. Okay. Now my aunt has to dash 5 children single-handed. So my aunt has to educate. Okay. So bring up means rear and educate. So here it will be phrasal verb is bring up. So up. Now I was taken dash by the rude attitude of my friends. I was shocked. What is the phrasal verb for shocked? Beginning with taken, that is taken aback. Taken aback. Now we built a strong wall. This is a normal preposition, simple preposition. So we built a strong wall dash the house. So around the house. Around the house. Now, you know, in the 5C, here you are joining a pair of sentences into one without using the conjunction either and, but or so. So she is an actor. So first of all you have to understand the concept. Then think of the phrasal verb. Think of the conjunction representing the same concept. And you may use either of the conjunction. So she is an actor. She is a painter. It gives addition, something in addition. So what is the conjunction for that? Not only but also, and, but and you are not to use. So not only but also can be used. Not only is she an actor, but okay, also a painter. Not only is she an actor, but also a painter. Now, number 2, he spoke to the man is a magistrate. So he spoke to the man, comma, who is a magistrate. So a man who is a magistrate. Now, number 3, I looked for my keys. They were nowhere to be found. Okay. I didn't find my keys anywhere. Your sentence must have the same meaning. Same meaning as the given sentence has. Okay. Now number 4 is here, the brakes could have failed. How would you have stopped the car then? Okay. So see here, if the brakes had failed, you wouldn't have stopped the car. Okay. Or alternatively may write, how would you have stopped the car if the brakes had been failed? Can be written. Now, number 5 is here. You have to rewrite the given sentences without changing their meaning, but following the instruction given in bracket. So, my number 1, you would better see the doctor, Judy, Mark said. Okay. So you have to begin, my bag is not. You have to begin, Mark suggested. So you have to write into an indirect narration, you know very well. So here Mark suggested to Judy that she should see a doctor. Okay. Mark suggested Judy that she should see a doctor. She should see doctor written here, so she should see the doctor. See here. Mark suggested to Judy that She should see the doctor. So number one. Number two. What is number two? Number two is here. See? Joe was so foolish that he believed the old man. You have to use rather. So Joe was rather foolish. Okay. To believe. Here listen please once more. Joe was so foolish that he believed the old man. Joe was rather foolish. Foolish to believe the old man. So here you write to have believed. It will be better one. Believe. Joe was rather foolish to have believed the old man. Okay. Now here, that kind of joke does not amuse me in my amusement. That kind of joke does not give any amusement to me. Number four, they ought to show respect to their teachers. Begin their teachers. So their teachers ought to be respected by them. Number five, I will return the book only after I have read it. Begin only. So only after reading the book will I return it. Okay? Only after reading the book will I return it. Now number 7. Number 6. He showed generosity even to his enemies. Use generous. So he is generous even to his enemies. Number 7. He didn't know where John was and I didn't either. So neither did he nor I know where John was. Now here there is inversion, you know very well, because you begin the sentence with neither. And also in question number 5, you have begun the sentence with only. Okay, only, that's why there is inversion. Inversion means auxiliary always before the subject, means this question format. But this is not a question sentence, so don't write question mark at the end of the sentence. Now people say that he was a cheat. Begin he is. So he is said to be a cheat. You don't need to write by people. Okay, that's enough. So he is said to be a cheat. Well, dear students, this way we have discussed test paper 14. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and also you are learning, and also you are being prepared for the final examination. And please follow all the steps while doing any type of question, while solving any type of question, any exercise. And also mark yourself how much you are scoring by matching your answers with the answer I give you. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye. Bye-bye. Ciao.